I recognize I have a different style. Is I'm not the in and out straightforward guy that if you're sitting at your desk and need something right away, because part of what I do is I want to help people um, when they have to really do something in the real world. So I will talk about what happens when something breaks, or what about this kind of a scenario that's common that you need to be able to do, but you can't do it straight out of the box with a function or something. Um, so I feel I'm more comprehensive than just the straightforward stuff, and that comes from where I've felt instructors or teachers have let me down is they show me the out of the box stuff, and then I go out in the real world and run under a hammer, and so, oh, I forgot to tell you about that part. Well, you could have,
Right.
so that's my position with my teaching. And I want to appeal to the people who want to have fun, the people who have over the years complained that Excel teaching can be so boring. And I see that the boring stuff has a place. If you're sitting at your desk, you need a refresher on the filter piece in the pivot table interface. Okay, you can get that in 2 minutes. But if you come to Oz, you're gonna get a lot more. You're gonna get well, maybe you don't want to use the filter piece there. Maybe you want a slicer. So here's a slicer.